How to verify identity on Fliff, or how to verify ID on Fliff. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Misnit, and today I'll guide you on how you can verify ID on Fliff. Now first things first, you can simply head over to the website, or you can open up the Fliff application, and then there you want to head into the verification page where you'll see an interface like this. Now in order to verify your ID on Fliff, you'll have to need a validate social security number and submit a photo of the valid government issued ID with a live selfie photo that matches to the submitted photo ID. So first things first, you might require to submit your social security number, and then it'll ask you to submit a photo of your valid government issued ID such as passport, driver license, etc. And then you'll have to submit a live selfie photo that will have to match the picture on your submitted ID, and then your account or ID will be verified. So this way you can verify your ID on Fliff. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.